Smile there, you little wood pigeon, man. Oh, look at this. The new garden. Oh, look at this now. I wonder will Sparrow end up having to go up the top of the bell to get the rest of the food. No, that's a starting, sorry. The food is well up the bell now. He's got a big beak. The only bird that can really reach it, really. Oh, I hope that dries out. I'm having a quick handheld video here this morning on Saturday, March the 9th. Yeah. Oh, look. He's having his coconut again. I moved the coconut back. On the floor, here on the floor. Yeah, oh yes, that was it. The dove. The dove. The dove. Is that a chaffinch or a sparrow? I don't know, he's gone. And Mrs. Blackbird is up there. One of Mrs. Blackbird's up there on the tree. And they happening out of this. They have. Oh, whoops. What the fuck? Hello. He's just sitting there. Hello. Hello. What's he doing? What's he doing? And there's the other guy. Where's he going? There's the other guy. And obviously what's happening here is this guy here is watching the other guy very closely to see what he's up to. That's all I can say there. He is certainly stalking him. That's very interesting now. And if you look up here, we got female blackbird. So the other female blackbirds here around as well. And back to big pigeon here. I've never seen him before. He's very scrawny. You never seen him before. And on the football pitch, we got the starting still go. Oh, he's on the post. He's on the post. He's on the post. Let's go back to the blackbird. Now, he's moved. Right to the next there. He's going right. Where's he gone? Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Let's use the camera. Let's carry the camera case to the tripod. He's on some food. He's in the food. He's in the starting food. He's back again. That bell was $6.99. Very well, great value for money, I have to say. But you have to put the bread down first just to get him into the garden again, just to get him on camera. And then they can eat the real food then, the good stuff then. And let's look at the little sparrows. Let's look at the sparrows. And I'll put the trampoline there again. Try and put the grass underneath. Now, there's a sparrow under the window there. I wonder when he get up. I might be very careful. Never shoot the camera. Where's there it is. Okay. Yeah. Go back in the bin now. Nice. Right, now let it there for a few minutes, see what happens. Right. You're eating that little bowl of fruit and everything in there. Bit of everything, bit of everything. I believe we had a few starlings here on the piece. They came up here, robbed a bit of food out of that bowl. We'll have a look at that after. They're caught on camera. Ha ha ha! They'll go to jail for that, surely. That's the idea. I love the starlings. I know they're not the prettiest of birds, but my God, they love their food, they appreciate their food, and they love the shit as well. Oh, sorry, I love the poo. I think you've got a lot of poo there. Yeah. And they do eat all the food you put out for them, which is good, and so do the sparrows. So, but they are endangered. In fact, they are endangered. So we need the sparrows because we need the starlings and the sparrows. They bring the other birds into the garden. Okay, let's go over here for a bit. Let's see something. Move the rocks around. Yeah. Okay. Oh, now. Let's put it there. Turn the box sideways. Let's open the window for a moment. Put this off here. A fat ball there. Somebody's fat ball. A big egg. Nibbling away. So there's a hold the camera on the box because flat I won't get the right angle. And Muggins is back up here. I'm going to have his coconut. Yeah. And it's not coconut, it's fruit from the coconut. Hang on, we got Mrs. Blackbird. Quickly, let's get a picture, quick. There she is again, Mrs. Blackbird. Sorry for the white on the lens, that's the reflection off the glass, I'm afraid. Here, she's gone under the tree, let's see where she goes. No, she's not come out yet, so we end up for twigs. We'll have to run later on. Well, it's sort of 15 minutes, so a minute left. Busy today. Oh, there she is, she's out, there she is. Now, will she ever go with the apple? No. She's up on the bridge. She's up on the tree. She's up on the bridge. And there she goes. And up on the tree again. I'll finish up with our little friend here. Let's see. There he is. Oops. It's pretty good to ring these birds so you know which one is which. I reckon they're the same fellas. And we can tell you that the food bell is now half eaten. The food's right at the top now, so the starling's only bird will probably eat from it now. We'll see what happens. And there's something now different. Let's go handheld again. There. Starting on a feeder. Now I haven't seen that before. Look at the feeder moving. Oh my god, he's had a killer the feeder. Let me close the window. Thank you very much. For a Saturday morning bird, and now that's it for the birds today because I'm going. It's Saturday, folks. And remember, this is the little window feeder. We'll turn it that way. We'll see what happens. Bye. That's a 5 minutes with the starlings. Yeah. On this side. Just distracted it. Yeah, look. Yeah. Another 10 minutes with starlings, folks. See what happens here. Just need to cram on the feeder. I'll find a way. Let's throw some more bread. Yeah. It's a crusty rusty. Let's see if we get some birds feeding here now. Let's have a cha. I'll have a cup of cha. Cup of cha. Limerick ham slices, says Limerick ham slices. We'll have a bit of the Limerick ham slices. Come on. We have these two. Keep it away. Get away, get away. Oh, bring back, oh, bring back, oh, bring back my body to me. Hey guys. More the old cheese. I swear by the cheese and the stars up above, I cheese by the moon and the stars up above, I cheese by the moon and the stars up above. I cheese. Oh shit, the rugby's on today's red bollocks! Cut out. Cut that out anyway. Yeah, you're cutting that out anyway. I swear by the moon and the stars on the sky. And I swear, oh, la 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 la. Oh shit, what's that doing down there? Where's the candles in for? Maybe she knows what's in there. She must have been fucking orange. I swear I remember the stars in the sky. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh shit! Oh, back this one again. Having the food, lads, at the table, look I am. Here's bread and cheese. Oh, look, he's ordering. He ordered a bit of cheese. Look, he's going to go off with it now. Now, let's just see what he's going to get the bread up here. That's up here. There's a bit of cheese. Look at all the stardoms, just so entertaining. I did a beautiful bar myself. That's the water starting, guys. Who would thought instead of watching TV on a Saturday morning, I am watching birds. How times have changed. Garden birds, not the, I watch birds, but that's a two-legged variety. Well, the sparrows won't come down. They might come down, but they probably won't. The sparrows will feed on the nest over there. Right, no one's gone for the bread on the thing yet. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I didn't catch the last in camera. Oh my god, there's about 50 of them. No, there are loads of them. Now, hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on. Hold on now. Let's see. Maybe the one will come up on the front. We'll put red cheese. Well, let's have the cheese but not the bread. Haha. Hello, I'm David Burke. Oops. A little bit of cheese there. I guess it'll be gone. Bet it'll be gone later. And let's finish off with the feeder then. This is definitely the last shot of the day now. Because it's on 11 o'clock on a Saturday morning and football starts at 12ish. Oops, excuse me, just had my breakfast. I got out of the house myself. Which helps. You never know when you got the birds out there. No, the fun is over here. The fun is over here, folks. The fun is over here. Look. That was the best 6 minutes I ever spent because they love that bell. But what happens when it's all gone? What we do is turn the shit down and put the food in it again. Put some new food in it. Or maybe you can buy a refill for 20 seconds to go, folks. 20 seconds to go. 15. Probably do some more in the afternoon. This is fine out there. Down the garden as well. Look at the garden, nice and flat. Goodbye.